Lunch. Good morning mga kalangga, mga Carshell. Kumusta po kayo? So ayun mga kalangga, mag-grocery muna kami mga kalangga, no? Before mag-start sa mission. Medyo malayo yung mission namin mga kalangga, no? So ayun, maraming salamat po sa inyo sa pagpatuloy po ng pagsuporta po sa amin. At ayun, sama pa rin namin yung Young Roboys. Kompleto yung Young Roboys mga kalangga. So this is it. Upat, upat, upat. Ayan. Walo na kuan sardines.
Bila ka buong upat ra? Upat nan?
Oh, patupat. Patupat.
Bila ka kuan? Bumbis, norte.
Tulo.
Saka. Bila ka kuan ya? Bila ta saka?
Dari.
Tikmo.
Duha.
Ay.
Duha.
Bila ka kuan? Lucky 7.
Duha na ni. Oh.
Bila ka lucky 7.
Laki mi tag sa kaputos. Usa ka chicken, usa ka beef. Gatas kaya. Pat kabok. Oh. So dito pa rin kami nag-grocery sa aming suki. Ayan. Oh, gatas, gatas. Diyan. Nakabuk. Kape. Oh, kape, kape, kape. Kape. Oh, dito sa Pikas. Oh, Lindon. Abel. Oh. Kamay, kamay.
Dapat sampu bibig.
Eh. Shampoo. Oh, unom-unom. Ang biskuit pila kabuk na kaputos.
Wa ba ka isa? Tungata, lili, tungata. Oh. Ya. Oh. Ikas.
Kuha na lang. Kamay, kamay. O gasin.
Kulang pa rin.
Oh, sige, pwede gusta. Pwede gusta. Oh. Oh.
Tanaw na mo bilog, pila ka magkape din.
Gusto na. Oh. Kamay, kamay, kamay. Kamay o gasin. Tagsa-tagsa. Ayan, linya na na. Ayan po. Ayan si Abel.
Sabi mo lalaki. Ito maliit.
Abel, mali na. May inom tubig yan. So ayun mga kalangga, bumili pa kami ng mga tinapay dito. Ha? Wala pa. Tag-isa kayo ha. Huwag kayong mag-away.
Thank you.
Oh.
Dalawa sa'yo, Bel. Malaki sa tinapay.
Ayan. Huwag kayong mag-away dyan.
Map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my lane. But something in the way way she moves keeps pulling at my chain. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance. She hums a tune I've in languages I can't speak. She writes down cities on her wrist and dreams she'll never keep. I sip my coffee, miss my cue, still anchored by my fear. But time rolls on like open roads, and soon she won't be here. Oh, traveler, carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance. Maybe next year in Madrid, or on some quiet mountain ridge, I'll see you turn and I'll be brave. But what if courage comes too late? Oh, traveler, the world is your open gate. I just stood afraid of fate. If I don't take that step today, you'll vanish with the train, and I'll never see your smile again.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun.
Ayun mga kalangga, oh. Break time muna kami mga kalangga kasi malayo pa yung biyahe namin. Ayun. Kaya kayo!
She moves like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the cafe with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never